Welcome back to the LPR Trading Group YouTube channel. It's Dave again. I haven't been on in a while. I've been having some internet issues, busy with the chat, and busy with life in general. So here I am. I'm back. It's Friday. We just got off of a crazy day yesterday, and I want to talk about something. I want to touch base on the FOMO aspect of trading. Because this whole FOMO thing came up in the chat room yesterday as well, and I had to reinstill some stuff in a few of the members as well as myself to realize that, you know, as for how some of us trade, catching moves like this, ES for example, moving almost 200 points in a single day, it's not realistic to buy the bottom and sell the top. It almost never is. It's almost, it's not realistic to buy the bottom, sell the top every single day on a 40-point day, a 50-point day, a 60-point day. What you have to remember about these days, it is so important to just follow your plan every single day. Now, if your plan says find an entry here or here and hold until the end of the day every day, perfect. Well, you shouldn't have missed this day. The problem is most people's plans don't say that, and I don't recommend you doing that either. Now, if you have what we like to call a lottery position, which is a small percentage of your position, like maybe 10 or 15% of your position that you want to run until end of day, if you get a good entry, that's fine. The way my trading plan works is I try to take trades and I break my trades down into 3 sections. 25% of my trade is typically a momentum type or scalp trade. 50% of my trade will be my core position, and the other, let's say 15 to 20% will be a runner. Okay, these numbers can vary depending on how much size I got in the trade, etc., etc. But this is usually how I work. Now, as of recent, I've been working more on my scalping game because that is the weakest part of my trading. And not that I want to become a full-time scalp trader, but I do want to learn how to scalp very well because I think it will teach me more market development here. And that's the place I want to go in order to attain more knowledge in that aspect of trading. So back to what we're talking about. A lot of people got FOMO on this day because it moved 200 points, and maybe we only got 20, 30, 50, 60 points. Me personally, I got like 30 points out of this day, okay? A 30-point trade, maybe it wasn't one 30-point trade, but we took 30 points out of the market on a 200-point day. I killed my trading day around 11 o'clock, which is what I do every day. And I mean, that was that. This is my trading plan. I traded it, didn't have FOMO after the fact, just sort of watched in wonder and awe. So for some of you out there that are watching this and you're trying to catch these huge days, it is not likely you're going to catch this from the bottom to the top. What I would suggest you do is go back to your trading playbook. Now, I've talked about a trading playbook in previous videos, and if you haven't watched those previous videos, please get back to those and watch those after this video. My trading playbook personally is 53 pages, okay? It's 53 pages of a lot of things, trade related, family related, life related. You think it, anything to do with trading is in this trading playbook. Okay, and this is where I structure all of my how-tos around trading. What do I do on a given day, right? What types of setups do I take? What am I looking for out of a day? When do I stop trading? What are my scaling goals? What are my financial goals? When do I withdraw? When do I have to deposit? Etc., etc. Okay, so with that being said, and this little short video I want to put out on a Friday is I want you guys not to have FOMO on days like this. What I want you to do is come to the market and execute your plan every single day. You need to be process oriented and not results oriented. If you got in a trade here, or here, long, whatever it was, and you took profit here, or here, or here, or here, and you didn't let it run this full 200 points and you're mad at yourself, you're just making a mistake here. There's absolutely nothing you can do about it. There's no way you would have ever caught this full move if your plan was not to hold something EOD or you were a swing trader or an overnight trader, okay? So if you guys are all upset about missing a day like this, or even a day like today, for example, we'll scroll over to price action today. Like even a day like today, this was a great move, right? This is a huge move. We give what, 120 points back? 130 points back. Like, this is also a great move. If you didn't catch this whole move, it's not a big deal, okay? It's not a big deal. You don't have to buy the top, sell the bottom every time. That's not what's going to make you a good trader. I can absolutely promise you that. The people who are likely buying the top, selling the bottoms, buying the tops, whatever you want to call it, they're likely just getting lucky. They're likely not long-term good traders. They're likely just haphazard type traders where they just YOLO, I'm in, it's ripping, I'm just going to keep holding because I don't care. And, you know, if they did that yesterday, they likely held out overnight into today and, you know, gave a lot of this back. So just go into the weekend with a positive mindset. Think about your trading plan. Think about just following your trading plan, being results oriented, and don't give a damn about anything else or what anyone else does. Just focus on yourself, okay? Comparison in trading and in life in general is essentially the root of all evils. You'll never find happiness by comparing yourself to others or what others do or what others think. You've just got to do you for you. So follow your trading plan and become the best trader that you can possibly be. Have a great weekend, guys.